But getting your 4,000 watch hours looks like impossible mountain to climb. I get you. It is another thing to get your 1,000 subscribers, and it is another thing to get people to watch you for thousands of hours. That is the hardest part of YouTube monetization. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the blueprint on how you're going to hit your 1,000 subscribers faster, even if you have a small channel. Welcome to Grow with YouTube Growth with Francisca. Step 1 is stop making shorts. Okay? Controversial opinion. If you want to hit your 4,000 watch hours, you have to stop making shorts. Now, short is mainly for getting subscribers. But if you are looking forward to monetize your long form videos, you have to stop making shorts. Okay? Then start creating long form video from 8 to 12 minutes video. Do you understand? So by doing this, you're going to gather your 4,000 watch hours faster. But if you want to get your 1,000 subscribers faster, you have to start creating shorts. Okay? And let's assume now let's assume that you create a video of 10 minutes. Okay, bear it in mind that once you gather 24,000 views, you are good to go for your YouTube monetization. I mean, in terms of making a long form video. Okay, now let's go over to step is search strategy. Okay, since you are a small channel, okay, you're going to create a content based on what people are searching for. Do you understand? So now, if you don't know what people are searching for, you can go over to your Google and do the research, okay, like this, okay. Or you can still make use of your YouTube Studio app to check what people are searching for. Do you understand? So by doing this, YouTube will be able to push your content, okay. And remember, you are still growing. Nobody knows you. The algorithm doesn't know you. So by creating this type of content, like how to content, okay, people will be able to see your video and watch. Do you understand? Now let's go over to step number 3 is the playlist hack. Okay, so if you want people to watch your video like Netflix, you are going to create a series of your videos. Do you understand? Now, for example, if you are creating a content on how to edit a video for beginners, okay, you are going to create it like series by series by series. Do you understand? So this is how you're going to do it. Once you create the first video on how to edit, you can then meet part 1, then create part 2, part 3, part 4, like that. Do you understand? Thereby, once you finish doing it like this, YouTube will be able to recommend your part 2. That is, after watching your part 1, YouTube will be able to recommend the part 2, part 3, part 4. Do you understand such a thing? So by doing this, when people are watching your video like this, you'll be able to gather more watch hours. Do you understand what I mean? So now, let's is live streaming, the secret weapon. Once you hit your 50, yes, 50 subscribers, you start going live on YouTube. Okay, now let's assume that 10 people engage on your live streaming for 1 hour. You know that you have gathered 10 watch hours just like that. As it is as simple as that. So live streaming is another way of getting your 4,000 watch hour faster. Okay, assume now that you have 20 people, or let's assume that you have 1,000 people that engage on your live stream. Just bear it in mind that you have for 1 hour. Just bear it in mind that you have already gathered 1,000 watch hours. Okay, so now this what you are going to do. Once you are going live, make sure that your live stream is engaging. Okay, you can just bring out an interesting topic, what people are looking for, what people are searching for, then use it for your title, your thumbnail, and other things that you need to include. Then once you put it on your title, your thumbnail, then description, your well optimized description, tags, and your hashtags, then you can set it as live. Immediately people are engaging and realize that your live stream is very interesting, they will stay longer, thereby making your watch hour to accumulate. Okay, so these are the steps that these are what are going to do for you to gather your 4,000 watch hours faster. Do you understand? Your 4,000 watch hours is needs patience. Okay. Now, but if you post consistently long form videos that will help people to solve their needs, you are going to gather your 4,000 watch hours more faster. Do you understand? So I'm going to stop here. Thanks so much for watching, and please, if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. And please don't forget to watch this video on how you're going to get your 1,000 subscribers faster. Okay, thanks so much. Bye bye.